Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best tent cot is probably one of the most innovative pieces of camping gear I've ever come across. It's a tent, it's a cot, it's a whole new level of camping comfort and convenience. If you're tired of sleeping on the cold, hard ground, or if you just want a more comfortable and elevated camping experience, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Kamp Rite Tent Cot. Number 5. ZOOBELIVES AirLive 2000 Inflatable Sleeping Pad. This inflatable sleeping pad offers an impressive 4 inches of thickness, providing exceptional comfort. It shields you from rough surfaces, hard floors, and cold conditions, ensuring a great night's sleep wherever you are. Forget about carrying extra pumps or using your breath. This pad features a built-in air pump that you can easily operate by stomping or hand pressing. It also has a double-decked valve for inflation, firmness adjustment, and quick deflation. Made with rugged 75D polyester pongee fabric and PVC lamination, this pad is built to last. The waterproof material protects you from wet ground, making it ideal for various weather conditions. It's a perfect companion for your camping gear. When deflated, this sleeping pad folds up to a compact size, perfect for backpacking and travel. It's suitable for camping, car trips, and even floating in the summer. You can also connect multiple pads together for more space. This product comes with a return policy, making it a risk-free purchase. Many people are buying multiple pads for themselves and their families. We are committed to premium quality, long-lasting durability, and customer satisfaction. It is a perfect gift for yourself and your loved ones. What we like. This sleeping pad boasts an impressive 4 inches of thickness, ensuring maximum comfort. It features a built-in air pump for easy inflation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a comfortable and convenient sleeping solution for any outdoor adventure, this pad is a great choice. What people say. It is very easy to set up and take down. The tent cot is very sturdy and well built. It is off the ground, so you don't have to worry about water or bugs. Number 4. Alpcour Folding Camping Cot, Single-Person Bed. This deluxe camping cot provides unparalleled comfort and support for adults and children. You won't need a mattress pad, sheets, or pillows. It's perfect for camping, backpacking, or even just relaxing in your backyard. Weighing only 13 pounds, it's easy to carry in the matching nylon bag. It can hold up to 300 pounds and is similar to a twin-size bed. It's great for one adult or 2 small children. The soft, breathable material is made of double-layered 600D polyester for strength and water resistance. The gentle incline promises no more morning aches. It's also easy to clean. The strong steel frame folds up in seconds for easy storage and travel. It's an excellent choice for relaxing on your next road trip or at home. You can use it anywhere. It includes a large organizer pocket for your phone, keys, and water bottle. It also comes with a matching pillow that cradles your neck and head. This makes it perfect for sleeping or reading. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves the outdoors. Whether it's for Christmas or a special occasion, this bed ensures a restful night in nature. It's a thoughtful present for anyone. This is an ideal gift for anyone seeking outdoor comfort. Perfect for any occasion, it's a unique choice for anyone from grandkids to adult children. They will love it. What we like. This camping cot is designed for ultimate convenience, being both lightweight and easy to carry. It includes a built-in pillow and side pocket for added comfort and storage. If you like a simple and comfortable sleeping solution for camping, this cot is perfect for you. What people say. The tent cot is easy to set up and take down. It is very comfortable to sleep in. The tent cot is well made and durable. Number 3. Kamp Rite Kwik Cot, Quick Setup One-Person Sleeping Bed. This is the Kamp Rite Kwik Cot, a collapsible sleeping bed perfect for camping. It offers a quick and easy spare bed solution for your outdoor adventures. The cot features a heavy-duty, powder-coated frame for stability. Its 600D fabric base is designed to withstand rugged conditions and heavy use. Keep your essentials close with side storage pockets and a mesh storage hammock. They provide convenient storage for all your gear. Enjoy a restful night's sleep with the padded head section. The cot is designed for comfort, even when you're outdoors. Setting up the cot is quick, easy, and can be done alone. It comes with a 600D carry bag for easy transport and storage. It has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Setup dimensions are 79 by 29 by 19 inches. It weighs 19 pounds and folds down to 39 by 8 by 7 inches. What we like. This cot offers a quick and easy setup, letting you relax in no time. It also features convenient side storage pockets to keep your essentials within reach. If you are looking for a simple and durable sleeping solution for camping, this cot is perfect for you. What people say. It is very easy to set up and take down. The tent cot is very sturdy and well built. The tent cot is off the ground and keeps you away from the elements. Number 2. iClimb Ultralight 4-Season Solo Tent. This tent offers unparalleled comfort and protection in any season. The snow skirt keeps you warm in winter and prevents muddy water from splashing onto your cot. It's perfect for various outdoor activities. It's a great companion to a camping cot. 2 elastic straps secure it, and the iClimb folding cot has eyelets to hold it. However, we don't suggest using it on a cot in winter due to potential wind exposure. This tent is ultralight and waterproof, featuring a 210T polyester taffeta rainfly with PU 3000mm coating and fully taped seams. It uses 7001 aluminum alloy poles and weighs only 5 pounds. The material is lighter and more waterproof than Oxford. Setting up this tent is a breeze, even for one person with no experience. The freestanding, aluminum 2-pole design makes it simple. Buckles connect the rainfly and inner tent for a faster setup. The crossed aluminum poles provide strong support and roomy space. It measures 80 by 28 by 43 inches when set up. Stakes and guy lines ensure stability in windy conditions. It packs down small, and a carry bag is included for easy transport. What we like. This tent is designed for all seasons, providing comfort and protection in any weather. It's also ultralight and waterproof, making it ideal for backpacking. If you are looking for a versatile and reliable tent for your outdoor adventures, consider this one. What people say. Regular price cheaper than the competition. 2 full-size symmetrical doors. Simple 2-pole setup with no crossbars. Number 1. Ultralight Inflatable Camping Pad. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, this sleeping pad is incredibly lightweight. It folds down to a small size for easy storage in your backpack, eliminating extra burden. This pad features a built-in pillow and air pump for added convenience. The design helps to reduce the weight you need to carry. The ergonomic honeycomb air chambers and pillow provide comfortable support. It can support up to 400 pounds and won't leak, even after extended use. Inflate this air mattress in just 40 seconds with the built-in foot pump. Deflation is also simple, using the double-layered evacuation valve. Made from 40D nylon and TPU, this mat is built to last. It performs well in harsh conditions and is easy to clean with a simple wipe. This ultralight mattress is perfect for camping, car trips, and other outdoor activities. You can also use it indoors for relaxation. What we like. This sleeping pad is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for backpacking. It features a built-in pillow and pump for added convenience. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use sleeping pad, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is easy to set up and take down. The tent cot is very sturdy and well built. It is comfortable to sleep in and keeps you off the ground. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.